welcome to math class. Math time is always fun time. Today we are looking at Pythagoras. A very short history about Pythagoras. Pythagoras is the name of a person, okay? So after discovering this formula, he decided to name the formula after himself. He's a Greek philosopher and a geometrician, okay? That is what he studies and that is what he does. He's a philosopher and is into geometry also. So he discovered this law of Pythagoras and it practiced for a very long time before he died. So what is this formula he discovered? Okay? Pythagoras is applied to a right angle triangle. The right angle can come in any shape. They can turn it upside down, turn it to the left, to the right. But so far this angle is there. That's what makes it a right angle triangle. Now it told us that here is I. So this side is the hypotenuse. Okay. And where this angle is facing is always the opposite. Okay. Now, this angle may be here also. So, this opposite does not have a permanent place. Once it's facing here, this remains the opposite. If the angle is up here and it's facing here, here is the opposite. But the side where there's no angle facing is known as the adjacent. Okay? So, this is the adjacent. So, these are the parts of a right angle triangle. So now the law of Pythagoras says that when you have, let's label here A, let's make here B and here C. Okay? So when we have A, B, C like this, the law says that A square equals B square plus C square. When you're looking for the hypotenuse, all what you need to do is to square the remaining sides and add it together. That is for the hypotenuse. Okay, if you are looking for the adjacent, all what you will do is B square, which is the adjacent, equals, then A square will come first, because when you are looking for the other two sides, you do subtraction. A square minus C square. That is that. Then if you are looking for the opposite, it is C square, because C is the opposite, equals A square minus B square. So these are the formulas for your Pythagoras. So quickly now we'll look at some examples. Okay, now we have some examples on the board now. Number one, we have to find Y and find Y here also. So solution, we have a triangle here, and this is Y, this is 3, this is 4. Using the rule of Pythagoras, which says that Y square equals 4 square plus 3 square. So Y square equals 4 square will give us 16 plus 3 square is 9. Add this together, Y square equals 25. Then you transfer this to the other side. So Y will be the square root of 25, which is equals to 5. So that's Y. That's number 1A. Then B. You have to find Y also. This is 10 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. Okay? Pythagoras. Y square equals 10 centimeter square. This, remember, 8 centimeter.